Hello guys, my name is Mohammed and welcome to episode 3 of JavaScript tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use arithmetic operator to form functions. So basically, we already know what arithmetic operators are. They are used to perform mathematical operations. Arithmetic operators are like plus, minus, times, divide. These are the basic arithmetic operators that we use every single day in our calculations. So basically, to use arithmetic operator, we use something like 8 plus 12. This will give us 20, right? So 20 will be outputted on the screen. When we save this and run this, you'll see that 20 is output on the screen. So we can also use, as you can see, I have 8 plus 20, 12 plus 12 is 20, and 20 has been outputted on the screen. So basically, we can use divide, we can use minus, we can use times. This is basically how to use the arithmetic operators. Because you'll just stop here, because arithmetic operators are not something complex to be talking or going deep into. We already know them. Yeah, minus, plus, times, and divide. So basically, I guess this is the end of this video. In our next video, we'll talk about comparison operator or comparison.